In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a sub 20 average on 3x3. First would be sub 35 or sub 40 if you want to look at this video. Step 1. Know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. This step you probably think you know, but you don't. Now, what I mean by solving a Rubik's Cube is I don't mean solve it as in getting into a solved position. I mean solving it with a method like the CFOT method, root method, but anything but the beginner method. Now, the preferred method by most people is the CFOT method, and that's usually the fastest method for everyone. But you could try other methods once you get better. But the next step is something called look ahead. Now, look ahead is when you track different pieces while solving a certain step that's not those pieces. Now, while I'm solving the red-blue pair, I can look at the red-green pair. And then as I insert the pair back here, it would align. This would align with this, but flipped. You'll see. See? It's very hard at first, but it gets simpler. The next step, which helps look ahead, is to turn slower. I'm going to do one solve turning fast and one solve learning slow. You're going to put in the comments some things that you noticed, some differences that you noticed. All right, this is turning fast. And this is me turning slow. You see how the fast solve was way different than the slow solve? I'll give you some examples. As I'm turning fast, I'm making extra moves and I'm just doing random moves, and I'm turning and I'm making many pauses. I'm pretty sure this is called spamming TPS. When you solve a cube turning way too fast without any look ahead and pausing every 2 seconds. And that's something you don't want in a solve, because every time you pause, you add time and you're wasting time. All right, next step. Now, I might sound like a hypocrite for saying this, but you gotta have the correct finger tricks. Okay, now I'm going to show you a solve with wrist turns versus semi-proper finger tricks. And go. I'm sorry, I couldn't do it. It hurts. All right, the next step. Now I'm going to show you solve with decent finger tricks. Now, that solve obviously wasn't a speed solve. That wasn't a time that I averagely get. All right, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.